Oh, I don't even know why I'm doing this today. Maybe it's just out of habit, or maybe it's a few folk telling me I should keep doing it. I don't know. I might not even post it, but you know. I was meant to be at BMF this weekend. I started travelling down the other day about 4 in the morning, and I've got this bad chest infection, and it's I just couldn't drive, man. I had to stop like 3 times. I nearly crashed the van. It was I was so dizzy, man. I couldn't concentrate. So I had to phone him and let him know that I'll not be there, which I'm absolutely gutted about. This is the biggest kind of one I've had yet. Pro fights on it, and my wife and my brother-in-law and his missus were all coming down. Aye, so I'm absolutely gutted. But I was so fucked, man. I've literally just been in my bed all day. I've come out here just to try and get a bit of fresh air or something. I can't eat, man. I feel like I've hardly eaten in a couple of days. Aye, so I hope the boys do well. I don't know who's covering me or what, but I hope they get someday, man. But I don't know. I don't know why I had the odds to come and do this. I think I just needed it at the house. And I thought I would do one of these. I've had so many nice messages after my last video. Just folk telling me like, can they got something out here, or they want me to keep doing it or what. But I don't know, I'll maybe do it like once a week or something. I don't know. I don't even know what I want to do in my life, man. Stuck in this thing again. It's just what I always go through. Learning something and been on this path of like, right, this is what I want to do. I can set my goals and set my sights on this. And then I always do it. I get like 2 or 3 years in, and then I start questioning everything. Like, do I even want to do this?